Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an alternator on a Ford Escape. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Next, gather your tools, including a 13mm wrench, a 15mm socket, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Make sure your engine has cooled down for at least 30 minutes to avoid burns. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get that old alternator out. Begin by using your serpentine belt tool to release the tension, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, locate and disconnect all electrical connections, including the main power wire and any smaller sensor wires. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Remove these. Finally, gently wiggle and lift the old unit out of its position. With the old one out, it's time for the new alternator. Carefully place the new unit into its mounting bracket, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Insert the 2 or 3 mounting bolts and hand tighten them before fully securing them with your wrench. Reconnect all electrical connections, making sure they are snug and secure. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, ensuring it's seated correctly before releasing the tensioner. You're almost done. Before starting the engine, double-check that all mounting bolts are tight and every electrical connection is secure. Reconnect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal. Now, start your Ford Escape and observe the dashboard for any battery warning lights. Use a multimeter to confirm the charging voltage is between 13.5 and 14.5 volts, indicating a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.